Good morning, dear Shem Stars. How are you all, students? I hope you all are safe at your home. Students, today we are starting with the new topic, that is chapter number 9, differential equations. First, its introduction part. So, the differential equation is an equation that involves an independent variable, dependent variable, and differential coefficients of dependent variables with respect to the independent variable is called a differential equation. So, students, as you can see here, we are having one equation x square d2y by dx square plus x square into dy by dx whole cube into 7x square y square. So students, what are independent variables? Which are in the denominator. The dependent variables are in the numerator. So here d2y by dx square. So that means y is an dependent variable and x is an independent variable. And these are differential coefficients like x square, x cube written in front of them. Next is the order and degree of a differential equation. Students, whatever the higher order derivative exists in the differential equation, that will be the order of the differential equation. Suppose we have fourth order, that is d4y by dx raised to power 4, then its order will be 4. And degree is the power of that highest order of the differential equation. I hope you understood what is a differential equation, order and degree of a differential equation. So let us see some questions based on it. Other thing about the order and degree is that order is the highest derivative exists in the equation and degree is the power of that order of the differential equation. But in case if that derivative exists with the sign, tan or e raised to power, then its degree is said to be not defined. So remember this thing. Now question number 1 of our exercise 9.1 is determine the order and degree if defined of the differential equation d4y over dx4 plus sign within bracket y raised to power 3, that is third order derivative, equal to 0. So students, here the highest order of the derivative that exists is 4. So that means the differential equation has the order 4. But now for the degree, as the highest order having the degree 1, but as we can see that sign is containing the derivative of some order, it could be of any. So that means its degree is not defined. So here order is 4 and degree is not defined. Next question number 2 is determine the order and degree if defined of the differential equation y dash plus 5y is equal to 0. So students, as we can see, the highest order that exists is first order derivative, that is dy by dx, and the power to that derivative is 1. So that means our order is 1 and degree is also 1. Next question number 3 is determine order and degree if defined of the differential equation ds over dt whole raised to power 4 plus 3s d2s over dt square is equal to 0. So again students, as we can see that the highest order of the derivative that exists in the equation is of 2 and the power to this only is 1. So that means our order of this differential equation is 2 and degree is 1. Although we can see that ds over dt has the degree 4, but it is not the highest. So we won't look for its degree. We always look for the degree of that order which is the highest in the given equation. Next question number 4 is determine order and degree if defined of the differential equation d2y over dx square whole square plus cos of dy by dx is equal to 0. So students, here the highest order of the derivative that exists is 2, but because cos contains a derivative within the angle, so its degree is not defined. So hence our order of this given differential equation is 2 and its degree is not defined. I hope students you have understood how to locate the order and degree of a given differential equation. So next 3 questions I am giving as a homework to you. Do practice these 3 questions by yourself. That's all for today, students. Do revise what we have done in the class, and if you have any query, please feel free to ask on the Google Classroom. Take care and have a great day ahead.